Hey, what's up, guys? Today is August 10th, 2021, and I'm getting another oil change at the local dealership on a Scat Pack, and I just saw this kick-ass 2020 392 wide body sitting out here. It's my favorite color, the Frostbite. Tell me this don't look bad. Love that color. I love the 305 wheels that come with these things. It's blacked out on window tint. This thing just looks so nice in this color. But the red one's pretty too, don't get me wrong, but this thing is sexy as hell. Not sure what they're asking for it. Probably asking too much because everybody's asking too much for these cars nowadays, but it's sick as shit. Now, they do have a T-Rex sitting in the dealership on the showroom floor. I'll pop in real quick and show it to you because I don't want to make too much noise or commotion in there. Let y'all check it out. Pop in and just pop right back out. That way I don't disturb nobody. Also, they got a 50th anniversary Challenger too. Y'all gotta check this thing out. Base price before options, $84,900. Tell me this ain't sick. I've seen a couple of these in my area, so they've been selling like hotcakes. It's a wide body. And they got the RT Scat Pack. And then they got the 50th anniversary one. Check out those wheels, bro. That's pretty dope.
You ready to go on?
All right, Roger that, man. All right, sorry about that little interruption. They're just telling me my oil change was done. It cost me $92.01. Not bad. That's what it costs every time. I should have known that, but I forget. Anyway, let's go back to checking out this wide body. This thing is dope. Let's see. They got the 50th logo on there. Everything. So, like I said, they got some pretty nice cars here. I'm actually surprised they don't have any brand new 392 Chargers up here, but they sell them like crazy, so they can't keep them on the floor. But anyway, like I said, my car is over with. Everything checks out on it. That's my baby. Everything checks out on it, except they said the tires are starting to show a little wear. I knew that already. Not quite time to change it because y'all know I don't do crazy shit like most people do in these cars, but so I could probably go at least one more oil change. Well, I'm too close. I'll probably go one more oil change before I have to get new tires. I'm not gonna get new tires here. Oh look, they got a Super B back there. Let's check it out, bro. Yeah, SRT8 Super B. Veteran. Nice. Beautiful. That's actually what made me want to SR back in the day. So that's what started my love for SRT8s, and which came in a 6.1 back in the day. But like I said, oil change is done, so now it's time for the ride home. All right. Whoops. Let's get this thing back in focus. All right, now I'm back in focus. All right. Don't want to start. There we go. Okay, it took a minute to register my key. About to say, oh, something ain't right here, but all right. All right, so let's see. Low life 100%. I'm at 23,000 $533. And according to this, they want my next oil change at 28. Let's see, at 28,533. I'm gonna go 29,533 because I do it every 6,000 miles, not every 5, because I don't rag it like most people. So, good oil pressure, oil temperature, coolant temperature. Tires are all at 39 except for that one tire. Okay, that's good. All right, well, time to go home. Go have some fun. Now, most people leave in smoky burnouts. I don't do that. Make sure there ain't nobody coming. But I do leave in a hard acceleration if I got the room. Let's see. Of course not. Of course someone's gonna fucking do it. There you go. 0 to 60 run is still pretty good. Yeah, this car is fun. So, y'all just sit back and I'm gonna stop talking and y'all just enjoy a little ride. I don't know if I'm gonna go to full length to the house, but you know, maybe until I get off the interstate, which is right there. I'm about to jump on that in a minute. So y'all just sit back and enjoy the ride for a minute. These cars are so much fun. Of course I catch the fucking red light. Ain't that a bitch? Got a nice little Cadillac over there. She pretty. This car is way too quiet, man. I really wish I had the money to do straight header exhaust, straight pipes, straight from the headers. That'd be badass. I want to say for the ones I want, it's like $1,800 for the straight pipe exhaust, and I want to say it's another $1,200 or something like that, or $900. Don't quote me on that for the headers, and then you got to pay someone to do it. So you're probably looking at about $300 to $3,500. Would be dope, but it'd be loud as shit too. Charger behind me, and they got a charger in front of me. Hopefully neither one's a cop. Nah, V6. Guess we can call this part of the video sprinted driving. Thank God they weren't cops, because that, we in Mexico, buddies. That's why I'm not showing the exit sign, but, alright, I'm just going to conclude the video here, since I'm sitting at a red light. You know, y'all got to see the car do a little something, something for now. It's not just me talking, blah, 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 walking around. So, until next time, y'all, like and subscribe. Peace.